Hey y'all, I just wanted to do like a really ghetto video of me eating one of my favorite meals, and that is some shrimp flavored ramen noodles. Got some Arizona watermelon juice, so you're gonna have to excuse it because there's gonna be a lot of noise from time to time. And let's get started. Father God, we thank you for the food by the way, see, let them nourishment. In your name, pray, man. But sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, but it's something about a boiled egg. I'm sorry, y'all. I feel some kind of bad. For eating this. Maybe like a quick meal. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is really ghetto right here. Because I gotta put some more vinegar in my stuff. How many of you guys use vinegar? I gotta put it in. More vinegar. I'm sorry, but it's something about that vinegar. I do get that tangy type of taste. And get some of that soda. Sorry, y'all. Y'all. Woo! My God. Must be a piece of meat that didn't cook. Okay. Now this is what we got left. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Jesus. What we got there? Oh my God. Oh my God. So what I'm not gonna do is drink juice. Well, you guys, I just wanted to come on. Come on, let's sit down. So you guys, I'm done. After Sunday, I'll be back on my juicing and just trying to do better. I know that's something that's crazy to say after I sat here and ate 2 eggs and a whole pack of shrimp noodles, but they were so good, you guys. So good. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have a blessed weekend. Today is Friday, and yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. You guys, love you guys. Bye.